I said join or you like dong in your hole, baby. Dude, everybody on YouTube just heard that. And I don't care. But what I do gotta say is, I think, come on, man. Don't do me like this. Just connect. Okay. Vagina. Dude. Shit's not connecting. I don't think. Let me go back to YouTube and see if my fucking laggy ass. Join or you like dung your bung. Ah! We'll see if my fucking shit's working. We'll see. Okay. Do it. Come on, do it. You know you want to. Come on, computer. Okay, definitely works. Definitely works. Great. Wonderful. Yeah, do not purchase anything just yet. We'll look into it, okay? Because we need a lot of stuff. We need, like, a more reasonable codex, basically. I'm not asking for much. But what I will ask you, you can give me one more day. I don't know what's I don't know. Forgot that what he said in that sound. I ask you for one more week. I ask you for one more month. I ask you for one more day. Or something like that. I forgot what it was called. Banger. You know what I'm talking about? But do you understand what I'm about to play? I'm about to play Peak. I'm about to play it every day until this song gets 1 million views. Once this song gets 1 million views, we'll stop playing it. I'm just playing it. Artie Cheddington. Oh yeah, I didn't even know you could see all that shit. Yeah, you know what it is. Oh yeah. Let's put these speakers more closer to us so they can hear the music better. I'm saying I'm gonna put this shit right up to me. Like y'all, chat will be able to see the speaker. Like you will be able to see the speaker. Look. There's this. Look, you see it? It's literally right next to me. It's because the cable's long enough for me to put it over here next to me. So why not fucking do it? Right? Look, I got one over there in the distance, and I got one up close. It's probably not the best experience, but it's gonna be a good experience. Shit. Having a big ass speaker right next to you is a pretty good experience no matter what.
I never thought that I would get here so unexpectedly. I always knew I could, but I had to try. I wasn't the smartest, if I'm just being honest.
Banger, bro. Listen to
I
this shit.
never thought that I would have to be the one to figure out to try and spell it out.
Hey Google, turn the lights red.
One day I'll ask you a question. Would it be so hard to answer? Would you say the right thing I wanted to hear? judging by the way she walks away from me. I wanna open up, but now I can't decide if this is really real and am I on your mind? I wanna know how you feel inside. Am I really on your mind? One day I'll ask you the question, would it be so hard to answer? Would you save the life that I wanted to live? One day you tell me you love me. One day is not gonna come so soon. I wish that I cannot say what is on my mind. Someone say what is on my mind.
Banger. Out in Europe, I'm a talkative guy. Kicking rocks was my fault, was my worst story told. I'll be this way till I'm old. I read the page, got the book. I'm just so misunderstood. I always think about it. Knowing my life out good. I smoke a cig on the porch. It doesn't help me at all. I wonder what's it all for. It's just a feel I enjoy. And you know I can't afford. But shit, I look out the door. So I keep it to myself and keep my feet on the floor.
Are you really?
Shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up, it's not your birthday. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill a buzz. I'm in the having sex, I ain't in the making love. So come give me a hug if you're in the getting rough. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Mama, I got what you I ain't into making love, so come give me a hug if you're into getting rough. When I pull up out front, you see the kids on dub. When I roll 20 deep, so it's drama in the club. Now that I roll with Dre, everybody show me love. When you sound like Eminem, you get plenty of groupie love. Look, homie, ain't nothing changed. Roll down, G's up. I see exhibit in the cutting, man, rolling trees up. If you watch how I move, you stay before I play, I'm hip. Been hit with a few shells, now I walk with a limp. In the hood, in the latest, saying 50, you hot. They like me, I want them to love me like they love pop. But holla in New York, for sure, I tell you I'm local. The plan is to put the rap game in the choke, so I'm fully focused, man. My money on my mind, got a meal out the deal, and I'm still in the grind. Now shorty says she feeling my stash, she feeling my flow. My girl fuck with it, they buy, and they ready to go on, yeah. Bottle full of bug, mama, I got what you need if you need to fill a buzz. I'm in the having sex, I ain't into making love, so come give me a hug if you're into getting rough. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bug, mama, I got what you need if you need to fill a buzz. I'm in the having sex, I ain't into making love, so come give me a hug if you're into getting rough. My flow, my show brought me the dough that bought me all my fancy things, my crib, my cars, my clothes, my shoes. Look, homie, how I came up and I ain't changed. And you should look way more than you hate it. Oh, you made. I told you to be happy, I made it. I'm that cat by the bar, toasting to the good. Like, moved out the hood, now you tryna pull me back. Right, my junk get the bumping in the club. It's on, I'm with my eyes. Shit, so she smash it gone. Hit the roof on fire, man. Just let it burn. Talking about money, homie, I ain't the son. I'ma tell you what banks told me, cause go ahead, switch the style up. And if they hate, then let them hate. You watch the money pile up. And we can go upside your head, we can fire the bug. Come on, they know where we be. You can find me in the club.
MCCC is better than this DJ.
Banger.
Hey, sweetie, you're home.
You
On
wish.
your lunch break?
July 25th, 2025, I was working on Game Show before I met you. Let me share my screen and show you this shit. Dude, this is early Game Show development before you even were involved. You ready? So I had it. Oh, section. So you remember how the first menu is all games, PlayStation, Xbox. Can I turn off the music? Alright. So if you look at this video, right? Fuck. I mean, this is a banger song anyways. Basically, if you look at A, B, C, D, E, F, G, that's just sorting A to Z, right? So imagine I had like PS1, PS2, PS3, PS4, PS5, Xbox One, Xbox Series X, everything, right? And basically, it'd evenly be in the middle, and all games would literally have everything, right? You could see how it showed if it was hooked up to Ethernet or if it was on Wi-Fi. It showed your battery percentage. It showed, like, you see that little settings menu? There's literally a settings menu where you can change the color of everything. And there's a home button in the middle. It's a scrapped project that's dead. Like, I don't even have that file anymore. But dude, that's how fast things advance. Like, dude, that was on Visual Studio, bro. Like, it was just basic boxes. And I had a shitty AI. Like, what, dude, that was a year ago, dude. I guess I had to begin, dude. I guess I had to begin the development of Game Shot, like, I guess a few, like, I don't know, June of 2025. Like, as you can tell, bro, I've been trying to fucking lock in somehow. obviously GTA 5 enhanced, even though it's the same game, it's not the same game, right? So they have to make 5 and enhanced, and fucking basically, yeah. If I want to play normal 5, then I have to download GTA 5. I don't know. I was just saying, there's kind of limitations. Like, you can't tell me that our app isn't kind of pushing its own limitations. Like it'd be kind of cool. Like, you know how you wanted the automatic game detection? Well, I've actually looked into some stuff. You know the debloat tools? Somehow they're able to detect every application on your computer, even ones that, like, you can delete ones that you're not even supposed to be able to delete. It'd be cool, I guess, if I could, like, figure out how to uninstall stuff and reinstall, and basically be able to, like, deadass delete a game and install a game and choose the location from inside the app. But it clicks the buttons in the program for us. Like, imagine the app emulated having some type of second screen just for those apps. The user couldn't see, and basically it literally clicked automated buttons for shit. But it wouldn't be like a shitty thing. Like, it would literally, like, it would know which window's what, and it would literally, like, force control on that window only. And, like, if there was another window stopping it, it would know how to close it. And, like, the internet detection and shit, it could be better. I have $50. I could definitely invest into something tonight if I did want to make something. It would probably take a lot of time. But I'd deadass look at how game, like, and here's what's up. I might decide to make it on a new engine and decide, nope, I want to go back to original game shell and keep developing for that. It just has to do with, I want to see the possibilities of what I can pull off. It'd be kind of cool if I can get some, like, PS1 level graphics in it or something. Something that, like, doesn't take any processing power, like some old ass engine built into our app, like a game engine from, like, old ass times, but, like, it'd be really simple to use. I bet I could do that. Like, imagine we could, like, build our game, or listen, imagine we could have our app be built on a platform that can do anything, right? But then we take an old school game engine, and then we implement that with the shit. To where, like, deadass, if you, like, and, like, you know, deadass build, like, basically a 3D app, but that's not going to be as powerful and resource consuming as somebody would think. Yeah, I don't know. Do you see what I'm saying? Like, I want to see if I can push the limits. And I'm not, like, I want to basically take Game Shell and rebrand it. It would be kind of cool if I could, like, make a second listing called Game Shell Legacy and see if I can, like, keep the look of that alive, but keep the features of on par with that one. Where it's just a 2D one. Or I could just change current Game Shell to Game Shell Legacy and then make a new Game Shell listing. I'm pretty sure I can do that, right? I don't know, I'm just trying, like, because I don't want to get rid of it per se, but I definitely want to fucking find a better. Someone text me, you doing okay? Yeah. Yeah, what about you? What you look like? Let's see. Photos. Don't play with your boy. Yeah, hey, I mean, it does hurt. Hey, she ain't too bad looking. Probably should. I mean, dude, I don't give a fuck if there's friends with my dad. My dad did that himself. It's not my problem. Tight shit. shit. Listen, if they find shit, they find shit. Your boy don't care. So, first off, what I need to do is I need to do my research, right? Make an app, but I don't want any limits on what the app could be able to do. I need a good platform that can read and control entire apps on a person's computer. Delete shit and just have a lot of like alrighty. A recommended path, native desktop development. What is that? Let's see. Oh yeah, it is. I've been seeing people develop on like a thing that looks like the Windows settings, but I don't know how to get that. I need something that has access to everything on my computer though. Like I want it to be able to control shit. Alright. Explain. The color of what? Like, it would be kind of cool if I could make each console deadass pull their cartridge art and have a 3D modeled cartridge spin around and put that art on there. Like, use the cover art pulling shit. But, like, when you choose that console, it would pull that cover art for that game card. And if it couldn't find it, it would just be a question mark. And you could, like, add your own file. But I'm talking about like an actual spinning 3D cartridge. And then imagine you start it and it like goes into the console. Like, yeah, it'd take time to do it and it'd probably take animation, but I would hit up multiple people and ask for help. Plus, if I can, I don't know. I don't know. I kind of want them to be realistic though. Like all the shit, like the disc and stuff. Or maybe just, I don't know. Here's the thing, I don't know if I just want a box with the cartridge. Let's see. Nintendo Dio 3DS cartridge. I'm trying to figure out, right? Alright, I'm gonna go to the DeepSeek shit. I'm gonna search up Nintendo 3DS and DS cartridge art for all games. I'm looking at a whole different thing.
Like the color and stuff.
What I'm looking at, right, is you see this entire database. You see how it has like, I'm not sure if I want to like remake the entire box, right?
Yeah.
Or, alright, there's cartridge art, like front of the cartridge. And I don't know, like, how to explain it. Hold on. Apparently it's on here, I just don't know where it is. Because Shit, I could probably take entire databases and put them into our app and just have it work offline.
Yeah, you could.
For like the DS and 3DS, like they're just images.
Mhm.
I mean, or I could like literally have it to where they can download an offline pack. Yeah, it costs more space on their console, but it would allow them to search for games offline for entire console libraries and find the cover art.
Yeah.
And it'd just be a lot of space. Let's see. So here's my problem, right?
Mhm.
So it shows the front and back like this. Like, look. You see that? See how it shows
Oh,
the
nice.
entire box? I can make a 3D model and deadass recreate the box and just pull it
Yeah,
for
you
each
could.
game.
Mhm.
Or, right, see, usually there's like, you know how the cartridge has a fucking, like a thing on the front.
Yeah.
I don't see it though, that's the problem. Like,
Maybe you could redesign it somehow.
no, like, when you plug, or like, look, this. So what I would do is, you see how it's like this? I'll just take this part, just basically the art part, and this is what I'd pull. This would basically go into a 3D model. What I'm gonna have to do is like learn how to use Blender. A little bit. I already have it, but like,
Maybe you could code most of that in like Code 2 without animation, like Blender shit. I don't know if you can really combine like.
yeah, but I want like all the I want models that I make. I want them to be like, I don't know. I want to make the models myself, I guess. I don't know. Let's see. So if I go to general, right? And take everything out the scene and I click delete, right? Now, first off, how do I add something, right? Like, how do I add a cube? I'm just trying to find a cube. Damn. How do I spawn a cube? Okay. I'm gonna figure it out. Here's my problem, right? Is how the fuck am I supposed to do this if I can't? Okay, object. Hold on. Add. Right. Mesh. And we'll do cube, right? Now we got a cube right here, right? Now we need to change the mode on here to where I can like, okay, Blender's not responding. Fire. reinforce a wire, but I need to like.
Guess where like some AIs now, like you can get them to like dead ass just use Blender for you too.
Yeah, I just want to kind of learn a little bit because I have to make all the models kind of look the same. Like I'm not making one model, I'm making like probably 20, and I want them to be in the same style. I mean, I could make them all realistic. I need a better. Let's see. 3DS. See, this one, it looks good, but it doesn't have pins. That's the problem, right? I think it's for a 3D printer, that's why.
Probably. Well, I'm gonna say if it was me, I would just use object-oriented programming. You could just design. I don't know.
I don't know, it'd be cool if I could just use images to make a 3D model, but that's not how it works.
Yeah. Well, you can use images, but then you'd have like your overlays and different, stuff in the program. Kind of similar to what I did with like the reflections and all the styles and like the cover photo. Just had it tilted and oriented a certain way if you want it on like an angle and all that. You can have it transform basically.
I'm gonna keep looking for game cartridges that look good. A lot of them are just 3D printable, and that's the problem. Dude, those look good, but it costs money.
Dang. What they look like?
These are Switch 3D models, right?
Dang.
But look, this is like some Japanese fucking website. It's $24.
Dang.
Look, it literally shows you the texture too.
Nice.
of how the entire thing works. I don't know why they give you the texture if they're trying to make you buy it. I could literally just take the texture, right?
True.
I don't see why I couldn't.
Yeah, you could. Yeah.
Bruh.
Just screenshot it.
I don't know how many times I can click back, but bruh, am I literally just on this website? Bruh. I'm just surprised there isn't no like good 3D model for the shit. I mean, there is one, but it's like it doesn't have any texture to it. Yeah, I mean, it's fine that there's no textures on it. Like, just one in real life has like actual pin textures, like in between these, just like basically brass or whatever. I mean, I bet it'd be easy to add.
Yeah, you could probably program that pretty easy.
Yeah, I just don't want to distort the original model. I mean, if you think you can do it without fucking up the original model, I'll give it to you. Like, I mean, if it's
Probably, yeah.
I can send you the download to it, and you can try to fix it. But I just don't want it to turn into a whole different model.
Yeah.
I don't know. Fucking, I guess I'll do STI and turn it into a different one.
STL, I think they call them. I probably still have some old game cartridges for like my Game Boy Color and
So
DS,
first
I
off,
think. Yeah.
what I'm gonna do, right,
Mhm.
is some rotate options. So first off, we're gonna undo that because I didn't know.
Yeah. Usually I'll use like Thinkercad a lot instead of like Blender because it's web browser based.
I'm just not 3D printing something.
Yeah. Now you can edit like files and stuff in it.
There we go. Alright, so now this needs to go up. centered, probably, right?
Yeah.
I don't want it to be lower than the floor, but I want it to be like sitting on it.
They have those like transparent effect though on like game cartridges. Those are cool too, where like you can see like the circuit in that.
There we go. I think that this is on the floor. Now,
Mhm.
we need to recenter this, right? The center of this is obviously not here, so I'm going to show you how to do that. Alright, all you gotta do is set the origin, right?
Mhm.
And then you want to do it to center of mass volume, I think, yeah. So now it's centered, see?
Mhm.
And now, fucking take this and center it. So that's basically centered, right?
Mhm.
I don't know, it's not really centered. Because the center of it really needs to be it's pretty centered. So you see how these pins don't have any pins?
Yeah. And probably add some gold coins to it.
Am I able to I don't know, I should probably export this as a .fbx into
Mhm.
my downloads. And now there's no way to look at it, but import.
Mhm.
Now if I delete the STL, what you'll see is, yeah, I think that's the FBX file. So now I should be able to like put textures and shit on it, I think. I just don't know how to. I wish I can just like paint it on.
Yeah, I think he should be able to, but I just probably had to work on that.
So what AI should I ask to add pins to this fucking cartridge?
That's a good question. I don't know. I maybe try to grok, because you could probably just upload the file to it, and then it'd probably do it for you. You could probably try a few different models and see what's the best looking.
It doesn't support it on this one. Maybe I'm on the wrong one, but
I guess they say this is the best one on the market right now.
no. Does that have an Intel processor?
I think so.
That's nasty. Fuck no. Yeah, fuck no. Why would you even think that?
No, AI told me.
No. It's AMD. AMD is what you go for when it comes to that shit. Intel, listen, Intel is not. Listen, are you buying something right now?
No, I'm just thinking about it.
Well, if you're thinking about it, let me send you some things. If you have the money to, then I'll send you some stuff. But if you don't have the money to, let me know when you do, and I got you. Let me know when you got $800 or $700 to $1,000 you already spent on something.
Okay.
American money. Fuck yeah. I don't know. It's inspecting the 3D model. I told it it doesn't need to change anything. You just have to like add color to it.
Nice.
Dude, that burger and fries she got me, it's pretty fucking gas. But I could low-key eat food again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes it takes a bit, but at least it does a good job. Like, it really thinks about it.
See, it didn't like the fucking other one, so I did the STL file. Connecting to computer. What computer? What, do you have an entire computer that just running?
Yeah, it does. It has like a whole computer that it used to stick.
Yeah, like a Blender computer? Like, does that Blender on it? And shit?
It must have some programs on it. I think it uses like a Linux system, but
And you're just able to use the mouse and keyboard and fucking use it?
yeah,
And then
I
just,
guess
you can just
basically.
add it can just do a command, install Blender, and it can just do it in 0.1 seconds. It's fucking open.
Yeah, basically.
I mean, if it's a supercomputer, I would expect it to be able to open up Blender in a second. You know, fucking, how do I explain it? Elon Musk is so rich, he don't care if we use his supercomputer. bitches for real. Dude, this ice cream is about to hit. And my fucking pencil went flying. I didn't expect it to go flying 2 different directions, but if it wanted to do that, fine. Obviously, that one was poisoned. Right, Elliot? I mean, even though this has seasoning on it, it'll probably be good. Think it lied to me. They literally just formatted my shit to a different format. I don't even think it added color to it. That's actually the coolest thing I've ever seen an AI do. It just showed me what it was thinking, and it took a 3D scan of the back of the model and showed the grooves of the shit, so it knew where to add the color.
Nice. It's really good AI though, that one. I guess that's bundled in that arrow stuff that you were telling me too.
Well, here's what I'm curious about, right?
Mhm.
So when I delete this one, right? And I take this one and I put it in the program, right? Is this gonna just work? Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna explain that something's colored, but not the pins.